If your database crashed right now, could you recover it? That's exactly what pg_dump is designed for. pg_dump is PostgreSQL's built-in command line backup tool. It connects to a running database and exports its entire contents, tables, indexes, constraints, and data, into a file you can use to recreate that database from scratch. Think of it as a snapshot you can fall back on at any time. pg_dump can write output in two main formats. Plain format produces a SQL file full of create tabular and insert statements, human readable and portable. Custom or directory formats produce compressed archives that work with pg_restore, giving you faster and more flexible restore options. pg_dump doesn't have to dump everything at once. The dash and flag targets a specific schema and dash targets a single table. This granularity makes it ideal for partial migrations, archiving historical tables, or restoring just the piece of data you actually need. Once you have a dump file, restoring is simple. For plain SQL files, pipe them into psql. For archive formats, use pg_restore. And here's a key interview point. pg_dump captures a consistent snapshot, even on a live, active database. PostgreSQL's transaction isolation ensures the dump reflects one exact point in time. No partial writes, no corruption. pg_dump, PostgreSQL's backup utility. Exports consistent snapshots as SQL or archives, with flexible targeting restored via sql or pg_restore. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.